My name is Alan Bush, and I'm the Senior Financial Futures Analyst with Archer Financial Services. Let's start out with the stock index futures as usual. Seeing some better prices this morning. This linked to what appears to be somewhat of a better tone to the Eurozone situation. It looks like the new Democratic Party in Greece is doing well in the polls. Of course, this is the party that is in favor of the austerity and for Greece to stay within the euro currency. So that dominating. Also, there's just a better feeling about the market technically. In the last week and a half, we have seen stock index futures performing relatively well on mixed to bearish news when we did get some negative news. Even today, we had the home price index from the S&P Case-Shiller coming in up 0.1%. The guess was up 0.2%, and yet futures making some new highs. Also, there's a growing belief that the Fed or possibly the European Central Bank will come in with some type of additional accommodation over the next few months, all of which would be supportive to stock index futures. So from here, once again, we do have higher prices, and I do think we will see these gains following through. Now, over in the currencies, with a better tone to the euro situation, seeing some gains in the euro, but really not very strong gains. Some of the good news from the Greek polls being offset by problems in Spain's banking industry. It was reported that Spain now is thinking about selling more debt to fund their banking situation, which is apparently worsening. So longer term, we still feel that the euro currency is going to go lower, even though there are some short covering gains today. Over in the commodity currencies, the Australian dollar and the Canadian, those two higher. This linked to a better situation in the eurozone. Also, there appears to be an end to the rail strike in Canada. There is a report that they will stop the strike by this Thursday. They've been on strike there, at least unionized members have been on strike since May 23rd. Longer term, still thinking that the commodity currencies will come under pressure. And over in the credit markets, somewhat of a better tone, a lot of this linked to a better situation in the eurozone. Flight to quality remains the dominant influence there. The Spanish banking news also a bullish factor. So from here, I would expect further gains in the credit markets led by the longer dated treasuries. Once again, these are my opinions alone and not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.